Good morning. A partly cloudy start up in Cloudcroft. You can see a nice looking start otherwise. Dry out there with the cloud cover around. We are going to be looking at showers and storms developing again, but with the cloud cover around, they will be a little bit delayed in getting going, so probably after lunch before we get any thunderstorms going into Sacramento's. In the metro area, really a clear start to the day. You can see a lot of sunshine out there. Temps nice and comfortable. 70 degrees. We have some moisture to work with, relative humidity at 53%, but nothing to really take advantage of that moisture. So rain chances are going to be very slim for us here in the metro. Still a lot of moisture down the southwest and the southeastern part of the state. So the higher terrain will be able to capitalize on that. So later on today, we'll be looking at showers and storms in the Sacramento's, also in the Gila area, and then eventually up in the northeast too. There is a frontal boundary that'll get some stuff going here and for the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, but a lot of dry air is actually moved into the Four Corners and into the northwestern part of New Mexico, so even the Jemez Mountains. So we'll be hard pressed to see a whole lot of action there. High pressure has moved over and set up right over us, so not a good thing for us, even though we had the moisture around to get the thunderstorms going. In fact, moisture right now is actually higher than what we typically see during monsoon season, but that high pressure is right over us, so we can't really get the storms going. We will be looking at thunderstorms though in the higher terrain. There is enough to get some showers and storms going there, so primarily again the Gila, the Sacramento's, and then up in the northeast today. Otherwise, mainly dry conditions across the state. And then going into the latter half of the work week, things do look a little bit better for us. We have a low pressure system that's going to be moving in, that's going to kick the high out, and so that'll allow us more showers and storms, better coverage of that, more of those thunderstorms to get going. And so if it combines with that monsoonal flow, we could be looking at better chances of rain late this week and into the weekend. So we'll keep our fingers crossed for that. We really still need it. For the Four Corners today, partly cloudy with temperatures in the upper 80s for Durango, mid 90s for Farmington. We may see a stray storm in the San Juans, but otherwise it's going to be a very dry day today. That will be the case tomorrow. Rain chances slowly going up for the Four Corners as we head into the weekend and early next week. South and west, scattered thunderstorms here, especially across the higher terrain, the Gila and the Sacramento's, 90 in TRC, 93 in Deming, Lordsburg 93, Silver City at 83 today. More scattered storms tomorrow and Thursday, and then drier weather moving in as we head toward the weekend. Down to the southeast, partly sunny skies today. Another hot one, 99 in Roswell, 100 in Carlsbad. Of course, we'll be looking at storms over near Ruidoso, Cloudcroft, Carrizozo, but the southeast remaining mainly dry today, though tonight we could see a few showers actually sneak into the Roswell area or in the southeast, and then the chance for a few spot storms Wednesday and Thursday, and temps stay above average in the upper 90s for the rest of the week. North and east, partly cloudy skies. Scattered showers and storms will develop here in the northeast and along the east slopes of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. More scattered storms tomorrow, and then rain chances tapering off for Las Vegas after that. Northern mountains, a few isolated thunderstorms in the Jemez Mountains this afternoon. Better storm coverage over in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Santa Fe looking at highs in the mid 80s and maybe even a stray storm or two today. Better chances of rain for Santa Fe come tomorrow. East mountains will be looking at scattered storms with highs in the upper 80s and low 90s. And then for the metro, we'll try to get a storm in here, but rain chances really slim for us. It's going to be a hot one. Highs in the low to mid 90s today. Better chances of rain tomorrow, and then better chances for rain move back in again this weekend.